Today, I want to share a truth that can change your entire academic journey. Success is not about being perfect. Success is about being consistent. Most students believe they need flawless routines, perfect notes, perfect understanding, and perfect timing. But perfection is a trap. It looks beautiful from far away, but from up close, it destroys your momentum. When you chase perfection, you overthink every small mistake. You wait for the perfect time to start. You delay your work because you feel things are not ideal. You get demotivated the moment you fail. You compare yourself with toppers and feel you're not good enough. Perfection doesn't make you better. It makes you afraid to begin. Consistency is the opposite. Consistency means showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Studying a little every day is more powerful than studying perfectly once in a while. Understanding one chapter daily is more effective than forcing yourself to learn 5 chapters in one sitting. Writing small notes every day builds long-term clarity and confidence. Success is created through small repeated actions, not rare perfect moments. Perfection is a dream. Consistency is a habit. And habits shape your destiny. If you ask toppers about their real secret, most will tell you they were not perfect. They had bad days. They made mistakes. They failed tests. But they didn't stop. They showed up the next day. They corrected themselves. They improved slowly. A student who studies regularly will always be ahead of a student who tries to study perfectly once a month. Your brain grows through repetition. When you study daily, your memory becomes stronger, your focus sharpens, your stress reduces, and your understanding becomes deeper. Consistency rewires your mind for success. Perfection only drains your energy. To build consistency, start small. Even 20 minutes a day is enough in the beginning. Fix a study routine. Same place, same time. Reduce distractions by keeping your phone away. Track your progress because small tick marks increase motivation. Reward yourself after completing tasks. And most importantly, forgive yourself. One bad day doesn't break consistency unless you let it. In your education journey, stop chasing perfection and start chasing progress. Don't aim to be the perfect student. Aim to be the student who never stops. Success doesn't come to those who are flawless. Success comes to those who are consistent. Start today. Show up tomorrow. Keep moving forward, one small step at a time.